Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Alex and welcome back to my channel, Tacoma Modzilla. It's a pretty cold day today and I figured I'd treat my Tacoma for a nice car wash. It's still winter time, so I won't get the opportunity to wash it on my driveway, which I normally do. But instead for today, I'm gonna drive over to the local gas station and take it to a drive-through car wash. And I'd like to show you how I do this with my snorkel. If you can see that, so I have the desert intake, and I'd like to show you how that is done. So stick around, we'll drive over there and we'll get this done. So now we're at the car wash station, and as I mentioned, because I have the desert intake, I wouldn't recommend this getting flooded. So what I normally do is I use a plastic bag, and this is a drawstring bag, and I just put it over the smoke. Alright, so make sure you put it in there tight, make sure it doesn't fly away, and let's put it through the car wash. So there you go guys, the plastic string bag that I used to temporarily wrap up my desert intake held up pretty well, and I was able to get my truck through the touchless car wash without incident, and it did a pretty decent job. It's winter time, so that type of car wash will do for now, but the main thing is we can wash the truck without drowning the air intake, and that's the goal. So I hope you guys liked this video and was helpful to you. Please hit the subscribe and notification bell buttons, and until the next video, for now, please be kind. Cheers.